The death of the Liberation War veteran and anti-2030 champion, Blessed Geza, popularly known as Comrade Bombshell, has plunged Zimbabwe into mourning, triggering an outpouring of tributes from across the political and social divide. Sabina mashukubdanyo kwa pango ya Zimbabwe Mourns war veteran Geza. Notable subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timina mnamubdanyo kwa mchinzi. Geza, who fought in the 1970s liberation struggle, remained an influential and outspoken public figure in post-independence Zimbabwe. In recent years, he became widely known for his forthright intervention on government, corruption, and constitutional issues, insisting that political power must remain subordinate to the constitution and the will of the people. Tributes have poured in from fellow Liberation War veterans, civil society organizations, political actors, and ordinary Zimbabweans, many of whom described Geza as principled, fearless, and unwavering in his commitment to the ideals that informed Zimbabwe's fight for independence. Throughout his life, Geza maintained that the liberation struggle carried lifelong responsibilities. Supporters say his refusal to retreat into silence distinguished him from many of his contemporaries, while critics viewed his confrontational style as polarizing. Beyond his public persona, Geza was regarded as a committed cadre who believed that liberation was not an event concluded in 1980, but an ongoing process requiring vigilance, accountability, and constitutionalism. As Zimbabwe mourns his passing, his death has renewed national reflection on the legacy of the liberation struggle, the state of governance, and the obligations of leadership in contemporary Zimbabwe. The family is yet to announce funeral arrangements. Lower developments are in Zimbabwe. To the mafunguro any more to be pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.